Are you looking for the best electric scooters for beginner? In this video we will look at some of the best electric scooters for beginner on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. CUNFON RZ800 Electric Scooter. The CUNFON RZ800 electric scooter brings a sense of freedom that transforms everyday travel into something exciting. Built with a sleek design and solid performance, it turns ordinary rides into journeys filled with energy and comfort. Every moment on this scooter feels smooth and controlled, giving you the confidence to go further without worrying about limits. It is not just about moving from one place to another, it is about enjoying the road, the wind, and the feeling of independence that comes with it. Long rides become enjoyable as the scooter is designed to handle extended distances with ease, making it ideal for those who want both reliability and convenience. The balance between speed and stability allows you to experience an effortless glide through busy streets or quiet roads while staying in complete control. It offers a ride that feels powerful yet safe, ensuring peace of mind every time you step on. Every detail of the CUNFON RZ800 has been made to provide comfort, from its responsive handling to its ability to adapt to different surfaces. This scooter is crafted to bring joy into everyday commuting, whether it is heading to work, exploring your city, or simply enjoying the outdoors. With its blend of strength and smoothness, it delivers an unmatched riding experience that feels both practical and thrilling. Owning the CUNFON RZ800 means more than just having an electric scooter, it is about embracing a lifestyle of adventure, freedom, and confidence on every ride. Number 2. Segway Ninebot C2 Pro Scooter. The Segway Ninebot C2 Pro electric scooter is designed to bring joy and excitement into every child's outdoor adventure. Created with a stylish look and a thoughtful design, it inspires confidence and independence while keeping the ride smooth and enjoyable. Children between 6 and 14 years old can experience the fun of riding while parents feel at ease knowing it provides a safe and steady journey each time. It turns simple playtime into memorable moments filled with laughter and energy. This scooter is more than just a way to move, it becomes a trusted companion for daily activities, whether it is a trip to the park, riding with friends, or enjoying fresh air after school. The adjustable handlebar makes it easy to grow with the rider, ensuring the scooter remains useful for years as they get taller. Every glide feels effortless, allowing young riders to explore freely while learning balance and coordination in the most enjoyable way. The Segway Ninebot C2 Pro delivers a perfect blend of excitement and security, making it an ideal gift for families who want their children to spend more time outdoors. The smooth ride encourages kids to stay active, offering a healthy and engaging alternative to screens and indoor distractions. With its comfortable design and modern style, it adds happiness to everyday routines while giving children a sense of independence. Choosing the Segway Ninebot C2 Pro electric scooter means giving your child an unforgettable riding experience filled with fun, adventure, and confidence in every journey. Number 3. HopCycle Electric Scooter. The HopCycle electric scooter is built to give every ride a feeling of freedom, power, and excitement. Designed for both adults and teenagers, it transforms the way you travel by turning ordinary commutes into experiences that feel alive and engaging. Every journey becomes smoother and more enjoyable, whether you are heading to work, school, or simply exploring your surroundings with friends. It combines strength with style, making every glide feel effortless while adding a touch of thrill to your day. With its range of powerful options, the HopCycle adapts to different riders and needs, ensuring that no matter the distance, the ride stays comfortable and reliable. The carefully built design allows you to enjoy speed without losing stability, giving a sense of confidence that encourages you to go further and discover more. The road feels different when you are on this scooter, it becomes a space where energy meets control, and where every turn feels natural. Lightweight yet strong, the HopCycle is easy to carry and store, making it an ideal choice for modern lifestyles. It allows you to move freely while avoiding the stress of traffic or the wait for public transport. More than just a scooter, it becomes a trusted partner that fits seamlessly into your daily routine while giving you the excitement of something new. Choosing the HopCycle electric scooter is about embracing a lifestyle of independence, adventure, and joy. Each ride inspires confidence, delivering a balance of speed, comfort, and freedom that makes every moment on the road unforgettable. Number 4. iScooter Electric Scooter. The iScooter electric scooter for adults is made to change the way you experience everyday travel. It takes the idea of simple commuting and turns it into something far more enjoyable, giving you a sense of independence and excitement every time you step on. With its sleek design and thoughtful build, it feels modern and reliable, making it perfect for both short rides and longer daily journeys. Whether heading to work, meeting friends, or enjoying a quiet evening ride, it adds freedom and comfort to your routine. Every glide feels steady and smooth, letting you enjoy the road without distraction. The carefully designed balance between performance and safety means you can ride with confidence, whether navigating busy streets or open pathways. Instead of being just another way to get around, the iScooter becomes a companion that makes every trip an experience worth remembering. It is practical yet stylish, making it a perfect choice for riders who want both function and enjoyment. Teenagers and adults alike can enjoy its responsive handling and reliable build, which makes it adaptable to different lifestyles. Carrying it, storing it, and using it daily feels effortless, which is why it easily becomes part of your routine. The ability to ride without stress brings peace of mind, while the fun of gliding forward creates joy that keeps you wanting more. The iScooter electric scooter is not just about moving from one place to another, it is about adding adventure, confidence, and excitement to every single ride. Number 5. Segway Ninebot Max G3 Electric Scooter. The Segway Ninebot Max G3 electric scooter is built to make every journey exciting while keeping the ride comfortable and reliable. It takes commuting to an entirely new level, giving you the freedom to move without limits while enjoying the thrill of speed and the reassurance of long-distance capability. Whether you are gliding through city streets, heading to work, or enjoying an evening ride, it creates an experience that feels powerful yet smooth. Each ride brings a sense of control and stability, allowing you to focus on the road ahead with complete confidence. The advanced build ensures a steady glide even across longer distances, making it perfect for riders who want to explore more without worrying about interruptions. Instead of being just another mode of transport, this scooter becomes a lifestyle upgrade that blends independence, comfort, and adventure into your everyday routine. The Segway Ninebot Max G3 is designed to suit both adults and teenagers, giving everyone the chance to experience the joy of effortless travel. Its strong motor power and reliable suspension make every ride enjoyable, whether on busy roads or open paths. Carrying it into your daily life feels natural, as it combines convenience with performance in a way that makes riding a true pleasure. Owning the Segway Ninebot Max G3 is about more than just having an electric scooter. It is about choosing a new way of living, one filled with freedom, confidence, and excitement every time you step on and start your journey.